Now see, in this second video, we will just fastly I will revise this time period of a dipole oscillating in a magnetic field, what we have seen, so that it will be a revision for you. So हमने यहाँ पे क्या देखा कि एक मैग्नेटिक नीडल है, उस मैग्नेटिक नीडल को हमने रख दिया है मैग्नेटिक फील्ड में. The magnetic moment of that particular this thing is magnetic moment is given by small m and the magnetic field is given by b, and I is the moment of inertia. When we keep the needle on a inside the magnetic field B, so what will happen? There will be a torque acting on the needle, and because of that torque is the deflecting torque. The tau d is given by I into alpha, where alpha is what? Angular acceleration. Alpha already it is given by d square theta by dt square. So tau d is equal to I into, if you put the value of alpha, it will be d square theta by dt square. This will give equation number 1. Now further, since there is deflection on one side, there will be a restoring torque. There is a two type of torque. First will be the deflecting torque, and this deflecting torque will be equal to the restoring torque. So restoring torque is given by mb sin theta. Okay, so we know restoring torque is equal to deflecting torque. So both are equated. दोनों इक्वेशन को क्या करेंगे? इक्वेट करेंगे. थीटा का टो डी का वैल्यू, टो आर का वैल्यू पुट कर देंगे. So now we'll set this I to second side. So it will become minus mb I into theta. So putting this value, equation 3. Now this equation, since the needle has started moving in oscillating, it will go into this side, again it will move to this side. So this will oscillate, perform simple harmonic motion. Since it is performing simple harmonic motion, so in the first year already we have derived the simple harmonic motion alpha A is equal to minus omega square y. So comparing this equation with this, what we are getting? Omega square. So this is an acceleration. So this acceleration A is equal to minus omega square y. Here in place of y is theta. So omega square will become what? mb by I. So comparing these two equations, omega square is equal to mb by I. So now what is omega? Omega is given by 2 pi by t. Squaring it, 4 pi square by t square. So cross multiplying, we want to find out the value of time period. Therefore time period is equal to 4 pi r square, 4 pi square I by mb. Now t, taking square on both sides, square root on both sides. So what will happen? Here it will become t, here it will become root. So 4 pi square, 2 pi will become out, it will come to outside. So this is the formula for the time period of the dipole oscillating in a magnetic field. So now this derivation is over. This derivation will be asked for 3 marks. Now the next derivation, what we have to do is we have to find out the potential energy. Next we have to find out what? Potential energy of the dipole. This potential energy is given by this potential energy. How we have to find out? Again we have to consider the same figure, that the magnetic needle is kept in a magnetic field. So this is the magnetic field, uniform magnetic field, and in this magnetic field we are considering a magnetic needle. So here we have to find out the potential energy of the dipole. What we have to do? We have to find out the potential energy of the dipole. So to calculate the potential energy of the dipole, what we have to do? We have to consider that this is the south pole, this is the north pole. Same, it is making an angle theta. Same figure we have to draw. There is no change in this particular figure. Figure same रखना. अभी understanding है थोड़ा. Now you see, dipole, what will happen to magnetic dipole when it is placed in a magnetic field? We will write potential energy of a dipole in external magnetic field. In external magnetic field. So now in external magnetic field, when we are considering, now when it is a dipole, it forms a dipole, it is making an angle theta. This angle theta, the magnetic needle will be deflecting by an angle theta. It will create a torque. It will experience a torque, and that torque tau will be given by mb sin theta. Now listen here properly. When this needle is kept in a magnetic field, what will happen? There will be a deflecting angle theta, and this theta, this magnetic field, magnetic needle will experience a torque, and that torque is given by mb sin theta. Now if suppose I have to calculate the potential energy, first of all I have to understand, I have to calculate the work done by rotating the dipole by an angle d theta. So if we consider that ये जो डाइपोल है, ये जो मैग्नेटिक नीडल है, ये रोटेट हो रहा है वन साइड में. सो अगेन टू कम इट इनटू डिफरेंट पोजीशन, व्हाट हैज़ टू बी डन? it must have the potential energy. So that potential energy will be calculated by calculating the work done. पोटेंशियल एनर्जी हमको कैलकुलेट करना है, तो पोटेंशियल एनर्जी हम कैसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे? वर्क डन बाय दैट पर्टिकुलर ऑब्जेक्ट. सो वी विल कंसिडर दैट small amount of work will be done in rotating the dipole through a torque, and that theta will be taken as d theta. If small amount of work is done, that torque will be tau into d theta. If torque is tau into d theta, what is the value of torque? From above equation, already tau is equal to mb sin theta. We have taken equation number 1. Now we'll put this mb sin theta into d theta. Okay, what we have done, first we have considered that the needle is kept in a magnetic field, and because of that it will experience a torque, and the torque is given by mb sin theta. Now we have to calculate the work done. So instead of before calculating, we have to calculate the potential energy of the dipole. So to understand the potential energy, first we will consider that there is a work done by the rotating the dipole. So when it has to rotate from here to, when it has completed this, it will be again try to come in the opposite direction. Okay, so it is doing some work. So we will calculate that some work for angle d theta. So d theta if I am considering, so the work will also be equal to dw. So work done is equal to force. Now here force is equivalent to what? Tau. Tau is equal to d theta. Distance displacement, work done is equal to force into displacement. तो displacement कितना है? d theta. Force कितना है? Tau है. That force is equivalent to torque in case of this particular case. So substituting the value of torque here, so torque is given by mb sin theta. So dw is equal to mb sin theta. Now if this is the case, now if we consider that the work done to rotate the needle from theta 1 to theta 2, from where to where? Theta 1 to theta 2. Lower limit is theta 1, upper limit is theta 2. So the total work done W will become dW from theta 1 to theta 2. So what is the value of dW? This is equation 2. So if you put the value of equation 2 here, so W is equal to integration of mb sin theta d theta theta 1 to theta 2. Now mb will become constant. So for this we will write mb integration of sin theta d theta, limits are theta 1 to theta 2. When the limit is theta 1 to theta 2, now integration of sin theta, W is equal to, what is the integration of sin theta? Minus of cos theta. So this mb will keep as it is, will keep minus of cos theta, theta 1 to theta 2. So substituting this mb minus of cos of theta 2 minus cos of theta 1. So we know upper limit is positive, lower limit is negative. So when we put the cos theta 1 here, so lower limit is negative. Negative of negative will become what? Positive. So cos theta 1 will become positive. So here it will become what? minus of cos theta plus of cos theta 1. Okay, now what we'll do in this particular case, we know work done is given by potential energy, we have to find out. So for rearranging the term, we will take minus sign common here. MB will become cos theta 1 minus of cos theta 2. Okay, cos theta 2. So if we take minus sign here common, so cos theta will become plus and this will become minus. Cos theta 1 will be minus. Now, or we'll, instead of taking this cos theta 2 plus of cos theta 1. Okay, so we'll keep like this only. Now if theta is 90 degree, now next condition is what? When theta is equal to 90 degree. So what will happen? The potential energy of the magnetic dipole is taken from 0 when it is perpendicular to the magnetic field. So perpendicular to magnetic field, theta is equal to 90, theta 1 will become 90 degree and theta 2 will become what? 0 degree. So this value will become what? W is equal to minus of MB cos of theta. So this work done will become U is equal to minus of MB. तो ये हुआ तुम्हारा potential energy. So work done is equal to the potential energy. So थर्ड वीडियो में हम देखेंगे बाकी।